STEAM is related with technology development in this era. So yeah, to make sure that he will be stay with the technology, I make sure that STEAM is good choice.
I think it can ignite and spark their creativity, their curiosity. Instead of just learning in a class doing the worksheet, they can also practice what they learn from school.
The proudest moment is when she really enjoyed the STEAM moment, enjoy the learning progress. That was our proudest moment during the STEAM project.
They are brave enough, confident enough to stand in front of all the parents and their friends to present what they make during.
See you at the next STEAM Expo. Bye-bye.
See you at the next STEAM Expo.